Today, we will be learning ourselves with the maneuver known as bay parking, an essential skill that is needed to become a safe driver for life. Initially, it is important to understand the reason behind acquiring the ability to perform forward bay parking maneuver. By engaging in this maneuver, we ensure that all vehicles are accommodated appropriately, leaving no room for arbitrary parking. The first step entails approaching the parking bay cautiously and aligning your vehicle parallel to the parked cars on the left-hand side. It is crucial to maintain approximately 1 meter of space between your car and the parked vehicles. Subsequently, the maneuver is initiated by activating the appropriate signals. While slowly advancing towards the bay, it is necessary to select a specific bay. For instance, suppose I opt for bay letter C. In that case, I would proceed forward until reaching my designated bay, identified by line number 1, as depicted in the accompanying diagram. Once I have arrived at the desired bay, I will ensure that my reference point, such as the door handle or car mirror, aligns with the line. Throughout this process, it is essential to remain vigilant of blind spots, perform continuous observations, and maintain a slow forward speed, while simultaneously executing a full left turn of the steering wheel. It is crucial to maintain a reduced speed, allowing sufficient time to react in the event of encountering hazards. As we approach a point where our car aligns with the adjacent parked vehicle on either the right or left side, we should proceed to straighten the steering wheel and continue driving forward. Upon attaining a suitable distance, we must stop the vehicle when the bay lines align with our mirrors or when we have identified another reliable reference point, such as aligning our car with another parked vehicle to our side. At this juncture, it is recommended to engage the handbrake and place the car in park, or in the case of a manual transmission, shift to neutral prior to engaging the handbrake. By following these instructions, we can confidently conclude that we have successfully executed the forward bay parking maneuver.